Layering texture is the fastest way to build depth without adding clutter. Today, how to create layered speckle textures. Open Photoshop and create a 2048 pixel square canvas with a soft, neutral background. Add a new layer, fill it with black, then apply Filter, Noise, Add Noise at roughly 75% Gaussian monochromatic. Use levels to isolate small white speckles and switch blend mode to screen. Duplicate this layer twice, scaling each duplicate slightly larger so particle sizes vary. Lower opacity of each layer differently so depth builds gradually. Apply Gaussian blur around 0.8 pixels